In today's class, we'll be looking at identical objects when working with probabilities. So let's say that you are asked to rearrange a letter and some of the rearrange a word and some of the letters are repeating. So it says here that when we have n objects that are arranged, meaning the number of letters that needs to be arranged, where there are m1 identical objects of type 1, meaning maybe S is repeating itself twice or 3 times, m2 identical objects of type 2, meaning that maybe A in this case is repeating itself 2 or 3 times, and other letters, then the number of different arrangements is given by. And here is the total number of letters that you have over, for each letter that is repeating, you have to say how many is repeating and the factorial of that. Let's have a look at an example. Example 10 says, consider the word substitution. A wants to know how many different arrangements of the letters of this word are possible. So for A, how many letters are in the word? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. That's 10 letters over. Let's look at what's repeating. We have S that's repeating 2 times. We have U that's repeating 2 times. And we also have T that's repeating 3 times. If we plug that into our calculator, we'll get 151,200. Question B says, if the letters of the word are arranged randomly, calculate the probability that the word will start and end with an S. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. We understand that for the first letter over here, we want to start with an S, so there's 2 ways to do it, and therefore here there will only be 1 way to do it, as we've already used that S over there. And then now we have 8 letters left, so that's going to be 8 letters. Once you use that, that reduces to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that means we're going to have 2 factorial multiplied by 8 factorial over, we're only looking at the arrangements at this point. But over, we have S repeating itself twice, U repeating itself twice, and T repeating itself 3 times. And if we plug that into our calculator, okay, that's going to be 3,360. So then the probability would be the conditions being that, and without any restriction from our previous calculations, that was 151,200, and that would give us a 1 over 45 in terms of fraction, 0.0222 in terms of decimal.